Make a great choice today with the 2008 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, exterior entry lights, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.